Previously, Chicken correctly predicted the winners of both semi-final matches. She's back now to predict the champions of this year's World Cup. She must choose between Germany and Argentina. She assesses the field. A quick cleanup to make sure she looks her best. And back to business. She seems to be onto something. I think we have a winner. Let's watch the replay. She's pushed the ball towards Germany, but seems to be drawn to Argentina. She's sniffing it out, and then confidently heads to Argentina. Well, folks, Chicken has spoken. Argentina for the win. Please note that Chicken's predictions are solely for your entertainment purposes, and she will not be held liable for you losing your house, car, life savings, or anything else you may have foolishly bet on the predictions of a hamster.